to do something?
Which one?
Did we forget to do the tail?
Oh yeah, we forgot about the tail. Oh my goodness. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're showing you guys how to draw Peppa Pig. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start drawing Peppa Pig. So first let's start with her nose.
Okay.
So start a circle. A slanted circle.
This.
Good job, Nate.
This.
And now the shape of her face. So it's kind of like a circle with a pointy one, right? So there you go.
You should put it.
And we start with her ears.
Oh, that's kind of like an ear. Ears.
Good job, Isa. Good job, Nate.
Of course.
And we start with her eyes. Her eyes is close to her nose and on top of her face. So we start with her eyes kind of on her second ears.
Okay.
So just below that. So we start here. You see it, Nate? Here.
Here?
Yeah, below that. Yep. Start this. And the other ears is close to her nose. Not too far from the second, from the first eye, but still.
This.
Yeah, good job, Nate. And don't forget the pupils. And let's start with her cheeks. Good job. And her smiling face. And let's start with the nose. With her nostrils. And her nostrils not this one, but in a horizontal way.
This.
Yes.
Nose.
Nose.
No.
And let's start with her body. Yeah, it's better to have a guideline. Yeah, good job, Isa. There you go. And then we'll start with her finger, with her arms.
Okay. But is it supposed to be a different color?
We're just gonna use black.
Okay.
Start with the fingers. And we have 3 fingers.
One,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Awesome. And now we go with her feet.
What feet?
The legs far apart to each other.
What feet?
Yeah.
What feet? Oh, feet.
And her shoes.
So it's doing like this.
That's right. Awesome, Isa. Now we'll start with your one too, baby. Okay? We go with her finger.
Whoa, how did she do that?
So quick, right?
I know.
No, please. Okay. We are not coloring like that. Okay, so let's start coloring now.
Dagan wants to be mine.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no!
Start with this one. So while I'm doing the face, I'm gonna start with the fingers. Let's color your one. Okay, let's color. Look, see? See? With the face, right? Right? Look, see? Right? waist. She can't be a pig without a tail, right?
Yep.
Awesome.
That's pretty easy.
And then don't forget to, she's wearing black shoes.
Oh yeah. Black shoes. It's starting to look like Peppa Pig already.
Yeah, it does, eh? Okay. So we start with okay. So let's start with her cheeks. After that is cheeks. So her cheeks will be a brighter color of pink.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
And then we start with the dress, which is just red.
There, I'm done. Now it really looks like Peppa.
Okay, so we're done drawing Peppa Pig, and we finished coloring Peppa Pig as well. I hope you guys had fun watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye!